Thanks for visiting our education booth. Here what you can see is the concept that we have for Singapore school, and we come up with the 3 presentation modes for education. One is the presentation mode. Let me highlight it for you. Presentation mode, cluster mode, and dynamic mode. How we differ this thing is that presentation mode, you just sit down, look in front, and listen from your lecturer, right? And we want to break down into more details. Let's go to cluster mode. What cluster mode does is, in this setup, classroom setup, you have multiple tables, maybe group of 6, 5 children each with their own interactive PCs. And at the same time, the room is equipped with each panels. That's how you can see in this room, there are 3 panels involved. So in the name of education and collaboration, what we can do using the help of the software, we can synchronize the displays. So nothing is lost in between interaction, student to teacher, and then the technology. All right, let me show you some of the features. This is one of the software that we have come up so far. What it does is that it will enable you interact with the student by sending and collecting files, which is useful for education, sending information, which can be found on the internet, and some questionnaires, surveys that you can use from day-to-day teaching. At the same time, imagine that this thing here is the one of the many tables that you have here. So we're looking at maybe 15, 14 tables, and what you can do is interact with them, call their screen, show it to the whole room. We're not only talking about interactive pieces, we're talking about the whole room. We're looking at 6 panels in this case, plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 desks. Interaction level of this feature of this software goes into very detail. In that sense, the user just have to sit down, work with his own laptop, then follow the discussion. Alright, I don't need to stress myself, poking my head, looking in front, watching about the details. The full video that we are playing earlier is available on YouTube, you can find it. And showing the extremities of this feature, we are trying to adapt the BYOD sequence, dynamic mode. What it does, it will allow you to browse and display whatever is on your screen. Here, where you can see here, I can show it on my screen here, and then using this, I am the student, I can participate. That's cool enough. All of these functionalities are catered into details for the name of education. So it is not the type of software which you use in corporate areas, whereby you can see the full screen, control the computer. No, this is not intrusive. This is all for education's sake. Thank you. Is that good enough? Connect to a second